Welcome to Tech Leveler, and if you prefer viewing dark items against a light background, then you can turn on inverted colours, and I'm going to show you how to do this on your iPhone. First, what you want to do is head over to your iPhone settings here. Now we're in the iPhone settings, let's scroll down and tap into accessibility. Now within accessibility menu, let's click display and text size. Now on the display and text size, let's come down slightly to this smart invert here, and let's toggle this on. Now underneath here you can see smart invert reverses the colours of the display, except for images, media and some apps that use dark colour styles. You can also turn on classic invert here, which classic invert reverses the colours of the display. Now if you don't want this on all the time, what you can do is you can create an accessibility shortcut, which makes it easier to turn it on and off. So let's come back to the accessibility menu and let's come down and click on accessibility shortcut. Now let's select classic invert and smart invert, or you can just have one if you wish. Now whenever you triple click your side button, this is the power button, you'll get this accessibility shortcut here where you'll be able to select classic invert or smart invert. So that is how to quickly invert your colours on your iPhone. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.